All right, Ashley, let's take a look at what's going on this morning. Radar and satellite composite really picking up on a little bit of a wintry mix, some freezing rain, some snow well to the north right now. But back here in our area, we are dealing with that rain coming in. So we do see that green. But as the day goes along, we will dry things out. So as you move through the rest of the morning, I would grab the rain gear. Our concern was some freezing rain back into western Maryland. Looks like things are drying out. We've got a dry slot right here. And then as we head further back off to the west, there's still some rain. But once again, to the north, that's where they're dealing with plenty of snow coming in and a little bit of a wintry mix happening around New York City at this point. So if you are going to be doing some traveling today, call ahead. Make sure there's no problems at the airport for where you're going. At the surface, this is what we have. We have a little bit of everything. So we have a new system that's back off towards the west, a cold front there, but then we're also dealing with a warm front, and we're right on that line there, and that's where we're talking about that freezing rain coming in. Remember, we had some very cold temperatures over the weekend, so anything that was going to fall would come in contact and stick. But again, temperatures have warmed above the freezing degree mark, and that's why we're definitely dealing with just plain rain as of now. So nothing too terrible out there this morning, just maybe a little bit of a headache because you don't want to drive to work or wherever you're going in the wet weather. Now, ABC 2's most accurate futurecast, it went into motion already. This has the rain out of here. I'd say by early morning, around like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, we should start to dry things out. And before it's all said and done, we may see a few peaks of sunshine this afternoon as well. We will have an area of high pressure that tries to build in overnight, so we'll start to see clearer skies, but then the clouds will start to move back in because we will have a disturbance that comes in here. So by Tuesday afternoon, not going to rule out the chance for maybe a little bit of a wintry mix on the border, Pennsylvania-Maryland line there. So again, we'll definitely keep our eyes peeled for that. That looks like it's going to be coming in as we head more towards the afternoon with that disturbance. In the meantime, after that, we will see more sunshine and much colder temperatures coming in here as we head towards your Thursday and Friday. Woo! I'm going to show you the 7-day in just a second, but this is what we have for today. On that southwesterly flow, we'll actually bump those temperatures up, but then the 7-day forecast looks like this. I'm taking you to Thursday and Friday, temperatures in the 20s for highs. That's it. Let's get a check of the traffic with Lauren.